Hello, this is Mandy with Scott Leroy Marketing. I'd like to show you how to create a saved search for your contacts in Command. This will save you time and tons of energy. You no longer have to go to your MLS portal to create a saved search for all your clients plus work out of Command. Now you can do all of it right within Command and set them up on saved searches so that they get automated emails about new listings that come on the market that meet their search criteria. So let me show you how to do that. First, sign into Command, and over here on the left-hand side, click the Contacts tab. Now, you do have to do this individually per contact, so go ahead and click the name of the contact you would like to make the saved search for. Once inside their contact profile, come over to the right and click Saved Searches. Click Create Saved Search. Now, please know if they have not created their own login and password to your My KW consumer mobile app or your KW agent website, then the very first initial email will go out to them asking for their approval or acceptance of receiving these emails. They will need to approve it or agree to that email, and then their saved search automated emails will begin. Okay. If they already have an account that they have set up either on your My KW consumer mobile app or your KW agent site, then these automated emails for the new listings should start immediately or as often as you've set them up to happen. So this is the screen where you would create that saved search. You can search by many things: city, neighborhood, zip code, school attendance zone, and even custom. If you choose custom, it actually gives you an option to draw on the map. And I do want to show you this one because it does allow you to actually encompass multiple areas or multiple cities instead of creating a saved search just for one city at a time. So let's say they're looking at a pretty broad area. You can enter the location here to search it or just zoom into the map like I did and then choose the hand tool and go ahead and draw any shape that you want to. It doesn't matter. And once done, go ahead and apply. Now that means that any listing, new listing that comes on the market that meets this criteria in that particular encompassed area, it will go out to them automatically. Here you can set things like price, min and max, choose amenities that they would like. You can also choose the property types. So if they're not interested in certain ones, you can definitely uncheck those. And also choose whether it's active, pending, or maybe even coming soon. Choose from any of these other fields. And down at the bottom, please note that you can also set up these saved searches just to be for open houses. So this really can apply to anybody in your database. They don't necessarily have to be an active seller or active buyer or potential buyer or seller. It could be somebody that it's just an open house junkie. They like to go, like to enjoy houses. Maybe it's a realtor in the making, that just has the real estate bug. So you can definitely set these up to just be open house only, or even just the listings that have had a price reduction or price improvement within the last 7 days. So go ahead and choose whichever is applicable to your contact and click Next. Here you can save the search. Do recommend naming it something to do with the city or area that you've created the search for, and the stats that you've set it up for, just so it's easy to remember, especially if you're creating multiple searches for the same contact. It will go ahead and choose their primary email address that's already on file, and you can actually adjust how often they receive these email notifications by toggling on email notifications and choosing from the drop down. Now, if they've chosen not to receive email notifications and they just want to receive push notifications on their KW app or your KW agent site, that's fine. You do not have to toggle on email notifications. They would just need to sign into their app to see the new listings. Then go ahead and click Create Saved Search. You will see the saved search listed here within their contact profile. You can always come through and edit using the pencil or delete them by using the trash can. The consumer will also have the options to edit those saved searches from within their app as well. If you have any questions about how to create the saved search or anything else to do with your KW platforms, feel free to reach out to us via email, and that email address is support@scottleroymarketing.com, and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.